Hello. So today I was just going to show you this thing where basically I have grep set up so I don't have to actually use a pipe. I can't remember when I set this up, but anyways, it has saved me many, many times of having to type the pipe key. So basically what I can do is say I do a listing and I want to grep for, say, something to do with pry. Oops. Try again. You see how I am doing L, grep, pry, and I haven't piped it. So normally what you would do is you'd probably do ls, maybe dash al, then you do the pipe, and then you type grep, and then pry. But so basically I have this shortcut of no pipe, and I also made grep only 3 letters, pry. And the way I do that is by setting up this kind of special alias that I don't really understand, to be honest. Let's see. So look for grep. So here it is. It's this -G, which I think means global. And I have a couple other things going on. Like whenever I grep something, I don't want to actually see grep as well if I'm grepping a process, for example. Like if I was, say, doing something like, let's say PS, AUX. If they have a bunch of processes here, and I don't, let me just grep auto or something like that. Do it the old-fashioned way with the pipe, grep auto, and you can see I'm grepping all my processes, but it shows grep as here as one of them, which is usually I don't care about the actual grep process. So here I say first grep -v, which means show me lines that don't match this. So I take that grepping of the grep out, and then some color options, I guess. And then this -G, you can see how I have this pipe at the beginning. So that's what lets me not do the pipe. And the -G means anywhere on the command it will register as an alias. So it doesn't have to be the first thing you type. So without the -G, it would mean that as soon as I type anything, this grep isn't going to register. So I need the -G to make it so I can type grp anywhere on the line. And the reason I make it like grp instead of just G for grep is because grp's it's very unlikely I'll type grp in any of my other commands as part of that command. Whereas if I just made it say G, for example, whenever I type a G on my command line, it's going to register this alias. And it's going to think I want to do this alias. So that's why it's grp instead of just G. Anyways, this is how you set up an alias for grepping without the pipe. Sure, you could also apply it for lots of different things. You can see how messy this alias file is. I'm always adding new aliases and sometimes removing them. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks.